How are you now? Howdy. That's Travis. I'm Kevin, and this is H&H Prospecting. Hey, we finally hit 200 subscribers actually, way more than 2. Thanks everybody, greatly appreciate you tuning in and checking us out. If you haven't subscribed yet, we hope you like what you see today, and we earn that subscription. And even better, now that we've hit 200 subscribers, we're gonna give you guys a chance to win. It's a cool little gold panning kit. We're even gonna put some pay dirt in there and guarantee that there will be gold in that pay dirt. We even put a better snuffer bottle in there for you too. So stay tuned, watch the whole video, and we'll talk about at the end how you can win that. But today, we're finally building that solar-powered air-breathing hookah system we've been talking about, so we can get down into those deep holes, find some chunkier nuggets, get down deeper with our dredge, do some sniping out on the rivers. Since it is solar-powered, it's no oil, no compression, so we can actually take it out on the river, take it pretty much anywhere. So we'll take a quick talk about like everything that we got laid out here, and then we're going to show you guys, we're going to build it, throw that video in high speed, and then hopefully go out and actually test it, and we'll talk more about each individual pump. But real quick, 24 volt output, solar power, solar panel, Harbor Freight, you know we love those guys. 100 psi oilless pump. We each have our own air regulator mask just because we don't like, you know, making out with each other. Air filter, hoses, quick connects basically, and power converter. They'll basically all go into our little box. Box will float, solar will sit on top. Throw a battery in there just for extra safety. We'll talk more all about that. Let's get together. Pitter patter, let's get at her. Alright, so we got the air system part of it all hooked up. Pump to your filter regulator on our hose. You can see my mouth pieces over there. We're going to fill that bucket there. I'm going to stick my head down in there and see if I can't breathe underwater, just to make sure the system's working. So it's all hooked up minus the power. For now we're still just running it over to the 12 volt in the truck. And then later on we'll get the solar power hooked up to it. So as with any custom build, we ran into a few problems. I've already gone to the hardware store 3 times today, and I'm not going back. But we did want to get a video together and get it out because we want to get this giveaway because we finally got the 200 subscribers. So thanks, guys. So here's what we're going to do. Got a 7-piece panning kit. We put a better snuffer bottle in there for you. Thank you, Armadillo Mining, Sam. Appreciate you guys putting that together for us. What we're also going to do, this is some dirt from one of our favorite honey holes out on Graves Creek. We're going to classify that down to about 1/4 inch. Send about a half a pan worth of pay dirt with that and get it out to you. And I guarantee you there'll be gold in it. Guarantee it. So, do you want to win? Here's what you got to do. I need you to subscribe if you haven't already. I need you to share the video because we need more shares. Also, leave a comment. Hashtag get shiny. You gotta leave a comment. You gotta leave it because that'll actually allow my randomizer to find everyone who says get shiny, put in a little randomizer, spin the bowl together, pull someone out, and that'll be the winner. You know, we try to get videos out every Wednesday or Saturday. Doesn't always happen. So the goal is August 1st is a Saturday. So that will be the day we try to get another video out and announce the winner of the gold mining kit. So that's how you're going to win. You're going to subscribe. You're going to share. You're going to leave a comment. Hashtag get shiny or getting shiny. Alright, so hopefully in the next couple of days we'll get the rest of this system put together and we'll take it out and actually test it. But I think that's going to do it for us for now. Let me check the production crew. Are we good? Am I missing anything? Production crew says we're good. So, as always, get that shiny.